Apple a day keeps a doctor away. I'm going to do muffins using apples. So we will see how we are going to do it. First thing what I'm going to do is 100 grams of sugar. I wanted to do with 125 grams of sugar, but I'm not doing with 125. I'm doing half the quantity, roughly about 65 grams only I have taken. Same way I have taken the butter also. Just think, will you? 125 grams of butter and sugar. Sugar and butter, while we are using, we'll put the egg. Right. Just got nicely dissolved. Actually, I have taken all 65 grams butter, sugar, and 1 egg. Otherwise, all 125 grams and 2 eggs. Okay. Now I am taking flour into the bowl. Then what I will do is, and baking powder, 1 teaspoon it should be, but I am using half a teaspoon only here. And bicarbonate of soda also, a pinch of it. And a little salt also we use. Right, all that I have put here. And another thing I want to use, cinnamon powder. Cinnamon powder, I will put about half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder. That also I have put. So all that I have put together, and it's easy for us to sift it. Any sifter you like, you can use. Beat it once. We have nicely beaten this now. Now I am going to use apple. What I did was I grated the apple, put a little lime, mix it nicely, and then I washed again. Otherwise, it will be too sour. So I put it. That is, I did take 1 whole apple, 3/4 of it I put. Cashew nuts. And if you like, you can use a little sultanas also. Nutmeg. At that time, you have to grate it and use, then only you get the flavor. I am getting the flavor now. So when you do it, it will be really nice and tasty. So I will put into the muffin tray in the paper cases, so that it will be really nice and tasty. Also, 6 muffins it goes into, right? Otherwise, if I take the full quantity, 12 muffins you can get with 125 grams of all ingredients. Now this goes back into the oven. 180 centigrade, 360 Fahrenheit. Bake for 20 minutes. Only 20 minutes it takes to bake this. Muffins with fruit and nut we have done. So we will see. I have put into cupcakes, remember that. And what I am going to do now, a small cream I am going to do and put it on top. It's not the normal preparation. That's also something different. So we will see how we are going to do it. A little milk I put. Little milk in the sense, either condensed milk or condensed milk only I am putting. Fresh milk also we can use, but I prefer the condensed milk. So I put the condensed milk, right? So we will warm this up. Warm this up. Let it get warm. It's only milk. You can use fresh milk, say about a 1/4 cup or 1 tablespoon only I have taken. Or condensed milk, I diluted a little and put. That is also tasty. So we will use that. 6. I have taken 6 tablespoons, and I have taken about a teaspoon of butter. not a lot, teaspoon of butter, and we will start mixing this. Icing sugar and a teaspoon of butter I have put here. For the icing sugar, when either milk or condensed milk or whatever you use will start getting melted very fast. So little by little only we have to put. Don't put too much together. Vanilla essence will put to give a good flavor. That's all I need, just for about 4 or 5 muffins. I'm going to do it. So we will see how we are going to do that. And now see my muffins. I have put into paper cases so the muffins look really nice. Sometimes I use almond paste also on top of it so that you can decorate with almond paste. So now what I'm going to do is I will have it's very tasty and very nice. I think everyone will enjoy preparing these type of preparation. Say how my muffins look. It's nice. See, this is the muffins that I have done here, and in paper cases. It's easy to handle and you can have it any time of the day. Right? Guest comes, tea time, anytime you can have it. And the children will love it to have like this. Prepare and see how it comes.